Hello guys, my name is Shandor. In this short video I like to show you how can you take an entry on the most recent 300 pips gold dropping. So first of all I have to say that I use 4-hour chart for the mapping and 15 minutes for the entry, or mostly 1 hour for the mapping and 5 minutes for the entry. In this case, we have to see the 4-hour chart. As you can see, the gold is bearish at the moment. In the main picture, bearish choke here. Then I like to show where can you find a nice entry on the recent drop. We always have to find the gaps and the pullbacks. And in this case, we see here a pullback candle, this black bullish candle. And I'm gonna show you where is the gap below this. As you can see, those candles are inside bars because this is an internal movement between this huge candle low and high. This gray candle, bearish candle, broke the low. So this black bullish candle bottom, between this candle bottom and this bearish candle top, we can see the gap. So we expect the market gonna come back to fill up this gap later. First fill this gap, then come back and maybe go down. We can use this candle as a poi because the gap, it has a gap below it, like this. And somebody asked me why we can use this candle. This is the pullback candle, but this candle is as inside bar. So be careful with the inside bars, guys. I'm gonna show you later what's happening with this boy. Okay. We have to see what the market doing. I will use the Fibonacci as well. It's a very simple entry method. When I see a turning point like this, I use the Fibonacci. In this case, pull down to the bottom. I set up my Fibonacci tool like this. I use just the 50% and above that for the entries, because this zone is the discount price zone. The one of the better, this 61, and the best one between this 78 and 88 for the entry. Let's see what's happening. So we have got two boys, the dark gray and light gray. And the news, after the news, we see this candle, this huge candle. So as I mentioned, I use the 4 hour for the mapping, then swap to the 50-minute for the entry. And as you can see here, guys, the inside bar POI has gone. Those traders hit stop loss who took an entry here and put here that stop loss. Then the market take that stop losses. We can use this tool. Name is Ganbox. You can find here on the third window. Because I'm always watching how deep the mitigation into the POIs. And I like to take the entry, those entries which deeper than 33% or 50, 67. This zone is useless. Let's see what's happening here. When I see the candle like this candle deeper than 33, and this candle high took the liquidity, took the before candle high. So we can choose this as an entry candle. But one more rule, we have to wait a bit. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Yes, this candle close below buy body. You see, buy body. It means the market trying to go down. After, when I see this, I choose this candle as an entry candle. But first I always try to find how big is this. This is 20 pips. So personally I like the stop loss size which is less than 50 pips. So I decided to use just the wick of this candle. 1 second, guys. Sorry. I like to use the wick as an entry zone. Then use this. Stop loss can be 10 pips or something like this. This is the 10 pips, or safety entry just above the 50% mitigation. This is 14 pips. Personally, I use this one 10 pips at the moment. And we have to watch what's happening here. This wick take an entry, and we have to find the proper target. We have to swap back to the 4 hours, a higher time frame, to find any nice gap, because the gaps are working as a magnet for the market. The market always try to fill up the gaps. And I'm gonna use the Fibonacci tool again, just in the opposite way, from before from the top to the bottom, and at the moment from bottom to the top, like this. And I would like to find a gap just below this 61 area, or in this area between 78 or 88, but here is no gap. You can see here is a gap, like this yellow. And the safety target is the gap top. So just choose like this. This is a 30 R and 310 pips size, and we have to watch what's happening. It's very simple method, guys. Like this. Done. I hope you understand this method. I'm gonna make some more videos for this method. Okay, just subscribe me and like me, and you're gonna see more. Okay, thank you for your attention, and have a nice trading for you guys. Bye.